Hello, in this video I will be showing you palazzo trousers and their blouses. Thank you for stopping by. If you are new here, I welcome you to Bella Fashion with Joy. Thank you so much. Do well to like and comment and also share this video with friends and families who are fashion lovers like you. Also subscribe to Bella Fashion channel and turn on your notification bell to get updates immediately I upload a new video. If you are a subscriber already, thank you for staying with us. Palazzo trousers are part of my favorite, and I know it's part of your favorite as well, right? Here is a beautiful and hot collection of palazzo trousers and their matching blouses that you would love so much to make right now, like right now. These designs are really beautiful. I could not just stop picking them for you. I love palazzo trousers a lot, and I know a lot of people love them, people like you. So I was like, let me pick them for my fashion ladies. So, you know what? Don't miss out on any fashion trend anytime you want to get any design for your fabric. Come to Bella Fashion channel and pick out the styles that suit you. We are here for you all the time. Don't stress yourself searching for designs for fabrics. We have tons and tons of different styles of Ankara short gowns, jumpsuits, palazzo trousers, and so on. Yes, we have all that for you. Gone are the days when you start searching and start racking your brain on what design to make. As long as you know the particular design you want to make, come to Bella Fashion and fish or sort out the style you want. It's that simple. Okay, my shout out goes to you who stopped by to view the designs. Also, my shout out goes to the beautiful ladies wearing their beautiful and unique styles. And also, a big shout out to the designers out there who are doing amazing work. Yes, putting these designs together, it's not easy, and they are coming out so beautifully well. That's a very good one. Thank you for staying by. Do well to subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get a notification immediately a new video is released. Okay, thank you very much and enjoy yourself.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laugh so loud as the